is our fundraiser coming up this Saturday night, and we are going to be having an evening of very fun entertainment with local celebrities reading bedtime stories, singing bedtime lullabies, and we're gonna have a big silent auction, and it should be just a lot of fun. And we're encouraging people to wear their pajamas. I'm definitely excited about having a fundraiser where I get to wear pajamas, and I think for the entertainment, I'm really excited for Lise Garrett to sing a lullaby. Martha Barnett and Grant Barrett, I'm really excited that they're going to be here too. I really enjoyed the burlesque fundraiser last year, and then, our first big fundraiser was on a ship, a pirate-themed fundraiser, and that was also really fun.